going to be talking about tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands could also be called as savannas. The tropical grasslands are located in South America, Africa, the Indian subcontinent, and Australia. Here, on the globe, it will be located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. These tropical grasslands are similar to the temperate grasslands. Like the temperate grasslands, they get more rain than deserts, but less rain than rainforests. And also, the grass is the dominant plant life in the area. However, in the tropical grasslands, you would find more trees and shrubs than where would you find in the temperate grasslands. The soil here is not that fertile because of the amount of rain it gets. It only gets 20 to 50 inches of rain a year. The topsoil will not contain many nutrients for the plant to survive long. On the map, as you can see, Africa has the most amount of tropical grasslands in it. There are two seasons in the tropical grasslands. One is the wet season, the other is the dry season. One critical problem that is here in the tropical grassland is that in the dry season, when a lightning hits the ground, the fire can spread a lot. Dead leaves and grass are good fuel for fire to spread. A lot of animals migrate when the dry season comes because there's not a lot of water to find around. Plants are able to survive in the dry season by letting go their leaves or outer parts of their body so that they can conserve the water inside of them. Some animals that live in the tropical grasslands would be hyenas, lions, elephants, giraffes. Kangaroos especially live in Australia. This is all about the Savanna biome or the tropical grasslands biome. Here's the diorama that Idant will show us.
This is the Savanna diorama. So this is I painted the sunset in the savanna, and this sand is actually called kinetic sand, but we're just making it using as soil. And these are the animals I'm going to be placing on the kinetic sand. Very less plants grow, but it also has more grass. Okay, now let me put the animals on the kinetic sand. So let's put the zebra here. Okay, so I have a giraffe, elephant. Now let me put my lion. I put my lion. Let me put my rhinoceros and hippo. India and Africa have a lot of savannas, and Australia and little bit of South America have savannas. This is all about my savanna diorama.